there. Yesterday we looked at what it means to distribute half through an expression. Today we're going to keep going with fractions, but you're going to look at other fractions as well. Remember yesterday we talked about how distribution is multiplication, and so when we are distributing a fraction, we're just multiplying it by whatever's inside those parentheses or by whatever terms it's squished next to. And we talked about how asking what half of something is the same as dividing by 2. It's the same with other fractions. You just look at the denominator, and that's what tells you what you're multiplying by. So if I said, what's half of 20? Another way to think about that is what's 20 divided by 2. And so that would be 10. What's 1/3 of 12? Well, we could multiply that fraction out, or we can ask ourselves, what's 12 divided by 3? And 12 divided by 3 is 4, so 4 is 1/3 of 12. What's a quarter of 100? Think about how you would set that up. I know I only want 1/4 of it, so I need to break it into 4 pieces. That's divide. 100 divided by 4 is 25. So 1/4 of 100 would be 25. Let's look at how this plays out in expressions. 1/3 times 18 plus 9r. Remember, instead of just trying to multiply my fraction out, I want you to think of this like a division problem. So let's rewrite it as a division problem. 18 plus 9r, all of it divided by 3. And now just divide your terms from left to right. 18 divided by 3 is 6. I'm going to cross it off so I know I've used it up. Positive 9r divided by 3 is positive 3r. I have a constant and I have a variable. I can't combine these, so that's it. Let's try another one. 1/4 times 20 minus 8x. This one's really sneaky because I have a multiplication sign and I have an x. I'm going to change this just so we don't get confused. Let's change this to a p. So I have 1/4 times 20 minus 8p. In this case, instead of trying to multiply a fourth, think of it like division. I'm going to rewrite it as a division problem. 20 minus 8p divided by 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. I'm finished with this term, so I'm going to cross it off. Negative 8p divided by 4 is negative 2p. I have a constant, I have a variable, I can't combine, so I'm finished. Let's do one more, then you'll practice. 27k plus 21, all of that times 1/3. Remember, if we see something, if we're multiplying and trying to distribute something outside parentheses to everything inside, it's a lot easier to look at it if we put it up front. So let's rewrite that. And now since we're distributing a fraction, remember I want you to think about it like a division problem. So I'm going to rewrite this like a division problem. 27k plus 21 divided by whatever the denominator is, 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. To check that in my head for a second. 27 divided by 3 is 9. So 27k divided by 3 is 9k. I have positive 21 divided by 3. So that's positive 7. This is a variable. This is a constant. These are different terms and they can't be combined. So we're finished. Your turn to practice.